Do you ever wonder why whenever you get an influx of money or you manifest a large amount of money, you also end up manifesting a large expense or bill? And this is like clockwork. There are three reasons why this happens, and one of the reasons is because of the 5 types of money blocks. First reason why you can't seem to make more money or keep the money that you do make is that you're too focused on your environment and your external circumstances. Your mind has layers. So this is based on Robert Dilts' logical layers of change. So if you want to make a change, you have to do it according to these layers. And this is where you have the 5 blocks. So you have identity, values, beliefs, potential, and behavior are usually the same block, and then environment and opportunity. So you see that environment is at the very bottom, and then you see that behavior is right above it. So oftentimes you either try to change your environment, which doesn't work because you don't change your behavior. And then when you try to change your behavior, you do it based on tips and strategies, which leads you to end up self-sabotaging. So that's the second reason. When you backslide, you then feel bad, sad, guilty, scared, or angry. Why can't you get and keep money? Why can't you just win? And that is because of one of the biggest reasons, which is your values and your identity. So your identity is why you struggle, and your values is why you don't actually do the right things to get you the results that you want, which is more money. And when you get to the root of the problem, or to discover which of the blocks that you have, you need to identify your beliefs. So we designed an assessment that does it for you. So once you take the assessment, you'll understand if you have a particular block